Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to transparent an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file. Now I'll change this image opacity. First I select edit option already selected and select edit object. Now selected image. Now click on this image and select and click right button from your image mouse and now select properties option and select here appearance option. This image transparency, that is opacity, and make it 50. And see this and select close and see this our image transparency now says. In this way we can change all of this image opacity and make it transparent, and finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.